Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. Nice to meet you. My name is Jauhari Fadil Ahsan. I'm studying at the University of Muhammadiyah Ponorogo, majoring in mathematics education third semester. On this occasion, I will discuss about analysis of 7 English article on mathematics education. Point A, improvement of mathematical comprehension ability with applying maths learning model in students in SDN Ciganjur to Jakarta. Them maths learning research problem to improve the students' mathematical comprehension of grade 4 SDN Ciganjur to Pagi South Jakarta. Improve student mathematical comprehension ability. One of them is using maths learning models. Research result. After doing various activities from cycle I up to cycle 1 up to cycle 2, obtained that form observation result. From the result of the observation are then performed data analysis as a form of hypothesis testing action by using percentage increase to see the effect of giving action to make a maths model to the ability of mathematical understanding of material rounding and assessment on fourth grade student SDN Ciganjur to South Jakarta. Based on the data analysis of each cycle, the test result of student mathematical understanding on each cycle showed a good improvement. Next, conclusion. Based on research conducted in class for SDN Ciganjur to 6 to improve student mathematical understanding of material rounding and assessment with the application of maths learning model, and based on the result of data analysis and discussion that has been done, it can be concluded that maths able to improve the ability of mathematical understanding in fourth grade student of SDN Ciganjur 2 years lesson. Special on subject of rounding and appraisal. The advantage of maths learning model is able to improve the ability of mathematical understanding, able to increase student activities learning to be happy and spirit, able to increase cooperation and mutual cooperation. The weakness of the maths learning model is the need for guidance from the teacher to do the learning. The classroom becomes rowdy. The teacher needs the preparation of material and adequate tools. Next, a suggestion for article. The article should also include the shortcoming of the method used and also provide solution for the implementation of this method. Next, the lack of the article does not include the shortcoming of the methods used. Point B, puzzle as a didactic tool for development of mathematical abilities of junior school children in basic and additional mathematics education. Attempt maths learning and resolve problem. Pedagogical skills has always faced the issue of finding effective means for achieving educational result. This problem is especially urgent today when when in the rapidly changing world, the tools which yesterday called be used to support the interest of school children in study of mathematics and called profit and opportunity for the development of their mathematical ability quickly becomes absolute. Next, research result. Group A had a significant increase in all indicators. The fact the pupils of Group A were taught by the program lessons of developmental mathematics, and pupils of Group B didn't have this opportunity. Potentially, both groups initially showed good capacity for intellectual activity, which was confirmed by the result of the hack. The fact that the same type of material, different options, were offered for tests. However, the children did not purposefully solve the test task during the learning process. Instead of them, different types of puzzle were used, the solution of which was very similar to certain text solution in IQ tests. And next, conclusion. A conclusion that the proposed methodology lesson of developmental mathematics, which uses didactic tools based on puzzle, improves mathematical ability of pupils, ability to think logically, ability to abstract thinking, combinatorial abilities, abilities at spatial representation and manipulation with spatial image, critical thinking abilities. Moreover, the influence of the teaching tools undoubtedly has an influence of the result. However, we have not seen such growth in similar class earlier, when our worked out methodological model of using puzzle in educational process has not been used. Next, suggestion for article, maybe for the words to be summarized into words that are easy to understanding. Next, the lack of the article, use words that may be a bit difficult to understand. And next, point C, senior high school mathematics learning through mathematics modeling approach. Term, mathematics learning and research problem. Traditional mathematics currently taught in school does not contain subjects are under development. Everything is already complete and finished. There is a little examples of modeling in the practice of learning mathematics in many countries. The cost for the abyss between educational program and fact is that mathematical modeling is not easy for teacher. And next, research result. The first cycle of the study also indicated that learners called create identification of the problems, make assumption, work mathematically to get result, and provide recommendation even though they were not able to generalize. The second cycle of the study indicates that student called only identify and simplify the text, but called not the complete the modeling task according to the modeling process. The result, the fact that mathematical modeling was new to them. And next, conclusion in this study, the valid and practical mathematical modeling texts were produced using Uber context, so that the students commented that the task of mathematical modeling with Uber context was very good and made them think and reason and need revision to them terms in the process for modeling that they were not yet familiar with it. It is because the mathematical modeling was new for them. Suggestion. Next suggestion for article. The text of mathematical modeling with a nutritional context was very good and made them imaginative, but it was quite difficult. This shows that the modeling task is good and needs revision. And next, the lack of the article. Maths problem completed this problem requires a strong and careful analysis. And point D, point D, gamification for elementary mathematics learning in Indonesia. Then mathematics learning and research problem. This research is to combine multimedia elements and mathematics learning material to mathematics learning interactive application. And next research result, the strategy is to invite the user to learn mathematics by utilizing multimedia elements such as image, sound, text, and animation. Submission of material is given in the form of animation so that the material can be more easily understood. User can also work on the exercise in the problem and exercise section. It aims to test the user understanding of the newly delivered material. When the user has completed the experience question, the application will display the value and the number of true and false question. Next conclusion, this game is developed to help students to learn mathematics in interactive way and help teacher to explain mathematics material. Multimedia elements such as text, image, sound, animation serve as an interactive way for students to learn mathematics and encourage students interest in learning. Based on the result obtained, this game application needs to improve in the image quality and has more animation developed inside game that contains material explanations in order the learner can understand more deeply. Besides that, currently the mathematics material only cover for elementary level. In the future, the material will be added variative until high school level. Next suggestion for article. It is better to explain in more detail and complete so that it is easy to understand. The lack of the article, the discussion is incomplete. There are something that have not been studied as a whole. Point E, the implementation of character values towards student through congkak game for mathematics instructional. Then math learning. Next research problem. Investigate character value that can be applied on student through congkak game as it is used a media of mathematics learning. Next, research result. Referring to the result of study which is supported by several previous research, it showed clearly that the implementation of educational characters value on learners can be done in various ways. Based on this result, on way to do so, I struck the medium of traditional game congkak, a fox game well known by Society of Riau, Malay for such a long time. Next conclusion, the importance of character education for learners is indisputable. The importance of character education for learners is an indisputable necessity. There is not strict rule about the way how to implement the character education toward learners. Nevertheless, a teacher is required to design the media properly and seriously so that the character value can be implemented permanently on learners in the future. The media that can be used is congkak game because based on this study, there are 9 character value of congkak game that can be implemented on learners, such as honesty, discipline, hardworking, creativity, curiosity, independent, communicative, responsibility, and appreciating achievement. Absolutely, the use of congkak game needs to be developed continuously through innovation and other ways that suitable toward the lens character in one class. Somehow, I'll talk about strategy and media usage are not similar. The purpose of educational character is still the same. That is creating good learners who have the valuable characteristics such as religious, honest, tolerant, disciplined, hard work, creative, independent, democratic, curious, patriotic, country-loving, appreciating the achievements, communicative, peace-loving, fond of reading, environmental care, social care, and responsible. Next, a suggestion for article. Research needs to be studied further so that the result can be perfected. Next, the length of the article. The absence of further research from the research result that have been obtained. Point F. Contextual teaching and learning approach of mathematics in primary school. Them maths learning. And research problem. The contextual teaching and learning CTL. Yes. Approach is an approach involving active student in the learning process to discover the concepts learning through the knowledge and experience of the student. And next, research result based the result of analysis of the ability of mathematical connection before showing that the student who obtain CTL approach is lower than the main ability of student with that the direct instruction after the learning process is done. Student who obtain CTL approach mean ability in mathematical connection is higher than the main mathematical connection ability of the student go mathematical connection with the direct instruction. After examining the present and posted result of mathematical connection capability in both classes, further analysis of pre-test and pre-test and post-test data in experiment class and control class was performed in analyzing the data. Previous pre-test and post-test data are made in n-gain. N-gain data is what will be done. The test is the normality test, homogeneity test, and two adverbs test. The answer the problem formulation test and n-gain data to be tested are normality test, homogeneity test, and two adverbs test to answer the problem formulation. Normality test is conducted to find out whether the two research data taken are in the normal distributed population or not. Next conclusion, based on the result of research and discussion presented, it can be concluded that the contextual teaching and learning can improving of mathematical connection ability. Contextual teaching and learning (CTL) approved giving to active students in their knowledge and experience can be learned independently develops their mathematical competence and give an idea that mathematics really can be applied and beneficial to student life. Next, student education for article. It is better to use a method that is more appropriate to the research-trained student. And next, the lack of the article, the method used in this research is less effective. And last point C, mathematics learning in terms of elementary school students in using metaphorical thinking learning model. Maths learning research problem. Explain the use of the metaphorical thinking learning model on interest in learning mathematics of 5th grade elementary school student. Research result. Based on the research data, it is known that the metaphorical thinking learning model can interest the student. Interest in learning mathematics of the 5th grade elementary school student compared to conventional learning model in the control group. Students who are taught using the mathematical thinking learning model tend to be more active during learning. This is also line with study conducted by Setiawan, which states the use of the metaphorical thinking learning model makes students more enthusiastic in learning. The metaphorical thinking approach is a learning approach that is used to understand and explain abstract concepts to become more concrete things by comparing two or more things with different meanings. Both relate and unrelate. Setiawan and Rosdiana. The characteristic of the metaphorical thinking approach is that it breaks abstract concept into more concrete thing. It is because the activity of metaphor thinking is a part of assembling the problem in question into everyday life. Malik and Setiawan. Metaphorical thinking is a spread between models and interpretation, providing great opportunities for students to explore their knowledge in learning mathematics, and student learning process become meaningful because students can see the relationship between the concept that they learn and they are familiar with. Next conclusion, based on the result of data analysis in this study, it can be concluded that there is significant difference of student interest in learning mathematics between class of students who are taught using the metaphorical thinking learning model and students who are taught using the conventional model in the 5th grade elementary school in cluster Ki Hajar Dewantara, South Denpasar in Academy year 2019 siapa? 200 2019 ya. Bahasa Inggris. Bahasa Inggris 2019. Belum saya belum karena kita pause. 2020 masa 2020? 2020. Oh, alah. Lek 19 2090 ya.
2019.
Yo.
19.
Untuk 90. 19. Oke. Saya. Lanjut. Year 2019 sampai ke apa? Garing. Garing ini macamnya apa? Gini. 2019 to 2020. It proves that the use of the metaphorical thinking learning model has a positive effect on students' interest in the 5th grade elementary school in learning mathematics. Next, suggestion for article: it is better if the research results are equipped with picture. The length of the article: there are no pictures of evidence in study. And the last of the 7 article covering the same STEM, namely learning mathematics, the first article discuss improving mathematics understanding by applying the maths learning model. The second article discusses puzzle as a tool for developing mathematical abilities. The third article discusses high school mathematics learning. The fourth article discusses about gamification gamification of elementary mathematics learning. The fifth article discusses the application of character value to students through the game of Congklak for learning mathematics. The sixth article discusses the contextual teaching and learning approach of mathematics in elementary school. A seventh article discusses interest in learning elementary mathematics based on the learning model. Each of these article present a subject this is in accordance with the research. But further research is needed so that the result obtained are more optimal. Terus balik ya. Google Translate. Udah, Gunayo, maybe that's all I can see. Thank you, friend, and wasam. Maybe that's all I can say. And thank you for you. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.